So in today's video we'll tell you how to install the GPU support bracket, the anti-sag bracket that is provided by Gigabyte in their gaming OC series. So this is a must-have and a must-install product for all your 40th series cards because the thickness is quite much on these cards, which will definitely sag your graphic card. So if you get a Gigabyte card, you'll get this anti-sag bracket. There will be two parts, one is this and the other one is this, alongside a packet of screws. So I've opened the packet of screws. So what you have to do is this part, so the L part will go onto the graphic card, and there will be 3 screws included. You will have to screw in these 3 parts, and the next will be this 90-degree bracket. So the 2 holes with the Gigabyte logo written on it will go onto the motherboard with the help of these standoffs. Alright, so I'll show you in the video also how this goes. This is a very simple installation and it will help your graphic card from sagging. So this wall shell is very important when you install your standoff onto the motherboard to equally pressure on the motherboard, because this is a heavy graphic card, otherwise your motherboard will also break along with the graphic card. You can just hand tight it. There is no need to use a screwdriver or anything. You can just hand tight this standoff. So there are 2 standoffs, so use the washel with both of them. Alright, so once this is done, take your bracket, place it over here, and then again use washel along with the screws provided. So again take the washel and the screw provided and just tighten this with the Gigabyte logo on the bottom over onto this. So as we can see, our bracket is secure now. Now we just have to install the graphic card and this will be done. So this is the incorrect way of installation. This vertical part has to go behind the horizontal part, like this. So as we can see, the bracket is installed now and it is secure. So even if you transport the PC or over time, the GPU won't sag because it has support from here on the top. This is the major point where the GPU sag happens, because there's a lock over on this part, but all of this part, the right part of the graphic card, does not have any support. That tends to bend the graphic card.